Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to divide polynomials or division of polynomials. So let's start with the steps involved in division of polynomials. The first step in dividing polynomials is to arrange the terms of the dividend and the divisor in decreasing order of their degrees. You must be knowing that the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the polynomial. So here for this polynomial the degree is 3. And for this polynomial the degree is 2. The highest power is called the degree. Here we have 3, 2, 1. Similarly for the second polynomial it is 2, 1. So we have to first arrange the polynomial in the decreasing order of their degree. The second step is to divide the first term, which is x cube here in this case, of the dividend by the divisor. So we need to divide x cube by this whole dividend. Third step is to multiply the divisor with the term required to get the term in the dividend. So here we have x square and we need to divide x cube. For getting x cube, we need to multiply x square by x. We'll multiply this whole polynomial by x. So here we will do the third step, which is x square plus x plus 1 multiply by x. So we will get x cube plus x square plus x. So this is the term we are going to subtract from the dividend. X cube plus x square term will come under the x square term and x term will come under the x term. Now as this is a subtraction, we are going to change the signs first. So this will be minus. This is minus, this is minus. So x cube minus x cube will get cancelled here. Minus 6 square minus x square. Minus and minus, so we'll add the two numbers. So this will be minus 7x square and 11x minus x will give us plus 10x. And the rest of the terms we have to write as is. And our quotient is x. Sorry, I forgot to write the quotient. The quotient is x. The next step is the same as the second step, where we have to multiply the divisor with such a number so that we can get the first term in the dividend. Here our new dividend is minus 7x square plus 10x minus 6. We need negative 7x square from x square. So we will multiply it by negative 7. We are going to multiply x square plus x plus 1 times negative 7. So this will give us negative 7x square, negative 7x, negative 7. We will write the term here. Minus 7x square minus 7x minus 7. As we are subtracting, we are going to change the signs. Minus 7x square and plus 7x square will get cancelled. 10x plus 7x will be 17x. And 7 minus 6 will be plus 1. Now we see that we are getting a polynomial whose degree is less than the degree of the divisor. So whenever we are going to get the remainder whose degree is less than the divisor, we are going to stop the division there. Now this is our remainder and our quotient is x minus 7. So we write the quotient as x minus 7 and remainder is 17x plus 7. So this is our final answer. Now we'll revise the steps here. In the first step, we are going to arrange the polynomials in decreasing order of their degree. The second step is to divide only the first term of the dividend. For that, we are going to multiply the polynomial in the divisor with the required term or number and subtract the resultant from the dividend. And then we are going to repeat the process until we get a zero remainder or a remainder whose degree less than the degree of the divisor.